let's get straight to first cut right here. As you can see, man, hella stuff, bro. Hella stuff here. As you can see, we got quite a few stuff, bro. Let's go one by one and let's get to it, man. Let's go. Number one, we got this tee right here. Slide up. Make sure, bro, I always tell y'all, SHEIN got the best packaging, bro. I'm telling you, SHEIN got the best packaging. Number one, we got this shirt right here. Ooh, I like this. I don't know if y'all into this stuff, but I got the rhinestone tee, bruh. Ooh, I like this one. I like this. It says revenge on it. Ooh, I like that. It's sparkling. Things dancing, bro. These things dancing. For y'all who don't know, I am 6'2", like 160 pounds. So all the sizing and stuff is correlated to me. You know what I'm saying? This is a medium, and bro, this thing is nice, bro. This is nice. Next up, you feel me? 1, 2, 3. We got some hats, you know what I'm saying? Big things coming soon, so I just needed some hats to test out some things. You know, that's all I gotta say. Let me put those to the side. But they just hats, my guy, they just hats. But you know what? I'm gonna show y'all the quality, just cause. We got the pink one, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all the pink one. It's all the same, just different colors, but I'm gonna show you the pink one. You know what I'm saying? Good quality on it. It's a mesh hat, fully mesh. I'm liking this, no cap, no cap. This gonna go crazy, no cap. Next up, we got some pants. I believe these is pants. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, yes, sir. I'm loving these. As you can see, these are like purple bandana pants, bro. I'm telling you, graphic pants have become my favorite type of pants. Like, I wear my last ones I got from my last collection. I wear those I wear them all the time, bro. So I got these ones. They purple like bandana. I am in no part gang affiliated, you feel me? Even though there's no purple gang out there. But these are tough, bro. These are real tough. On to the next. Next up, man. Open up the packaging. I'm telling you, I don't think any company has better Ziploc packaging than SHEIN. I cannot lie. I can't lie. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look, another one of them. I don't know. I call these graphic pants. I don't know what else to call these, but these are just tough, man. These are just tough. Like, this is just tough for real, bro. Damn. This is real tough, bro. Can't lie. Can't lie. On to the next piece. Next piece, man, you know what I'm saying? We got this little mask thing. As you can see, this is just a mask. The regular shiesty mask. Hold on. Let me try this on real quick, you know what I'm saying? Bro, what the fudge? Alright, here we go, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Regular mask, you know what I'm saying? Regular mask. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Should I do the video like this, bro? Hold on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cool little mask. I didn't want to pay. Hold on, let me take this off, bro. This is tough. This is real tough, man. This is tough. Ooh, I like this. I like this. Yes, sir. I like this. I like that, bro. I might have to pull up the school of this one. No cap. Like I was saying though, I got that mask because obviously everybody, like, I used to have a ski mask back when I was like in grade 6, but I don't know where it went. And I didn't want to pay no $20 for no poo shiesty mask. This was $2, you know what I'm saying? So we all good. Oh, and just to let y'all know, for sizing purposes, all my stuff are mediums and large, you know what I'm saying? If I want a bigger fit, I get a large. If I want a normal fit, I get a medium. Just to let y'all know. Next thing, bro, we got a t-shirt, bro. Regular t-shirt. Oh, this packaging different. What the fuck? Look at the regular SHEIN packaging. You see how it's black, it says SHEIN on it? And look at this one. I'm on to you, SHEIN. Yo, you ran out of materials? That's probably why my order was so damn late. But as you can see, we got us a tee of a cat. It's a cat. If y'all know from my last collection, my last unboxing, I got a hoodie of a dog. This is a t-shirt of a cat. The reason why I got this is because it's gonna match perfectly with my threes. Hold on, let me show you. See, bro, the shirt is gonna go perfect with shoes, you know what I'm saying? And why I don't mind, the shirt was like, I think the shirt was like $6. It was a great price, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, you know, y'all know I dress for the love, you know what I'm saying? This thing itself, you know, I told y'all my favorite hoodie, thrifted. So you know me, you know me. I like my things a little cheaper, you know what I'm saying? Next thing, bro, we got some more pants. Another pair of pants. I'm telling y'all, man, the pants collection gonna get up there. Just like the last one, it's the same material as this one, but it's just a different print. This one hard, bro, I'm telling you. I don't even know what this is. Bro, this is just art on my pants. It's just art, bro. I don't know what the fudge this is, but these pants just go stupid, bro. These pants just go ballistic. They go ballistics, no cap. These pants hard as hell, no cap. And last but not least, bro, we got us another pair of swishies, you feel me? As you can see, these reflective though, I believe. But look at them, they're like iridescent, they're reflective, and they're swishies. If y'all don't already know, swishies are my favorite kind of pants, bro. As y'all can see, I don't know if on camera, it look brown, but in person it'll look brown too. It like reflects different colors and stuff. It's real tough, bro, it's real tough. And I know you hear that. Swishy, you know what I'm saying? I like that. I don't know why, but I just enjoy swishy stuff, but that's the collection. As y'all can see, a lot of it was pants, but that's why I went and shot for it, bro. Don't judge me off my purchases. Go on SHEIN, down in the description, I have all the links to the stuff. Go down and copy your own stuff, bro. But if you enjoyed the video, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This is the road to 500 subscribers, you know what I'm saying? Drop a comment, leave a like, subscribe, join the crew if you're new, cause you already know what to do, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace, face ass.